Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to translate the text or the paragraph on your Apple Notes easily. So the first thing we have to do is just go open the Notes or Apple Notes application on our phone by just go click them. And after that, we need to find which documents that we want to translate. So let's say here I have prepared to you the documents right here. So this text is Indonesia. So let's just translate it into the English. The first thing we need to do is just block all of the text on our documents right here. Just go to bold, do a double tap into the first word, and after that just drag this point into the rest of the paragraph, and there will be like pop up here several features that we can use. So you just need to expand the options, and there will be a translate options right there. Go click them, and after that you just need to wait, and you can also choose the language right here, change it into the language that you want to get the translations. And after you're done, you just need to like scrolling down. If you want to replace it with the translations, go click this part. So that is the way, guys, to translate your paragraph on a Apple Notes easily. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.